If you need to update your phone number on Redfin, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Redfin website or open the Redfin app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Contact Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Find the field that displays your current phone number. Click on the Edit option next to it and enter your new phone number in the provided space. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on Redfin. Make sure to check that the new number is correct to avoid any issues in the future.